In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dropbox automated folders to manage tasks for your files. This simple workflow helps boost productivity, eliminate repetitive actions, and make your file organization more efficient. Let's get started by going to Dropbox.com and signing into your account. If you don't have one yet, create an account first so you can follow along. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page where all your files and folders are displayed. Think of this as your command center, and it's where everything begins. Now look to the upper left corner of the screen and click the New button, then choose Folder. When the menu opens, select Automated Folder. An automated folder is a special folder that performs actions for you the moment files are added, which is perfect for repetitive tasks you handle often. It's like assigning a routine to a folder so you don't have to remember to run it yourself every time. After choosing Automated Folder, you'll see a list of automation options. For this tutorial, select Convert Files to PDFs. This is especially helpful if you regularly share documents and want a consistent, universally accessible format. Instead of manually converting each file, the folder takes care of it, saving you time and reducing the chance of mistakes. It's a small setup that pays off every day, especially when you're dealing with different file types from multiple sources. Next, give your folder a clear, memorable name. Something like PDF Converter works well, or you can use a more specific title that fits your workflow. A descriptive name helps you and anyone you collaborate with instantly understand the folder's purpose and avoid confusion later. When you're happy with the name, click Save. Your automated folder is now set up, and from this point on, it will convert files to PDF as soon as you place them inside. No extra clicks, no extra apps, just drop and let it work. To confirm everything is working, drag a file, such as a Word document, into the folder. Dropbox will automatically convert it to a PDF. Give it a moment, especially for larger files, and you should see the converted PDF appear shortly. This is your sign that the automation is active and ready for daily use. If you're collaborating with others, remind them to add files to this folder too, so everything stays consistent. And that's it. This feature is a fast and powerful way to enhance your file management. By using Dropbox automated folders, you save time and avoid